Welcome to the Gearheads. Before we dive deep into today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews, news, and all things motorcycles. Now, let's jump into the exciting world of the 2025 Kawasaki W800. This bike is a true representation of how Kawasaki blends modern technology with retro styling, creating a motorcycle that's sure to turn heads and provide an exhilarating ride. So grab your helmets and let's break down everything you need to know about this incredible machine. First up, let's talk about the design of the 2025 Kawasaki W800. Kawasaki has always been known for its attention to detail, and the W800 is no exception. The W800 stands as a tribute to Kawasaki's past, with styling that pays homage to their classic motorcycles from the 1960s. The clean lines, round headlamp, and minimalist aesthetic exude an old-school charm, yet there's an undeniable modern touch to this motorcycle. This bike features retro-inspired elements, but with modern engineering and technology under the hood, making it a perfect fusion of both eras. The tank is one of the standout features of the W800. It's beautifully sculpted, with a narrow profile and a design that's both simple and elegant. Kawasaki has kept the design clean and uncluttered, which is an intentional nod to the past. The bike's fuel tank is complemented by polished chrome, giving it a refined vintage look. This is a bike that will definitely catch your eye whether you're cruising the streets or parked in front of your favorite cafe. The W800's frame has been designed to offer the perfect balance between comfort and handling. Kawasaki has chosen to use a steel double cradle frame for a strong and reliable foundation. This classic frame type not only adds to the retro vibe but also ensures a stable, confident ride. Moving on to the engine, the heart of any motorcycle, and especially important for a bike like the W800. Under the seat, you'll find a 773cc parallel twin engine. This engine is a modern interpretation of the traditional air-cooled twin-cylinder engines that were so popular in the past. Kawasaki has equipped this engine with fuel injection, ensuring smooth power delivery and better fuel efficiency than older carbureted models. The engine's performance is balanced perfectly for both city riding and those weekend trips on winding country roads. With a peak output of around 52 horsepower, the W800 delivers ample power for an engaging ride without feeling overwhelming. It's not a full-on sport bike, but it's quick enough to put a smile on your face. This level of power is ideal for riders who want a mix of performance and practicality, as the W800 is more than capable of handling highway speeds, while still offering that classic easy-to-ride feel. What's more, the W800 is paired with a 5-speed gearbox that ensures smooth shifts and adds to the bike's overall simplicity. This is a bike that you can easily enjoy every day, whether you're riding it around town or taking it out for a longer journey. The W800 is a true all-rounder. Now, let's talk about handling and suspension. Kawasaki has equipped the W800 with a front telescopic fork and twin rear shock absorbers. These give the bike excellent stability and control, whether you're cruising on smooth highways or taking on more challenging terrain. The suspension setup offers a comfortable ride for both the rider and passenger, and it's built to handle most of the bumps and dips that you might encounter on your daily commute or weekend rides. The W800 is also fitted with a dual-disc braking system at the front, which offers excellent stopping power, and a single disc at the rear. Combined with the bike's low center of gravity, this makes the W800 a breeze to maneuver, even at low speeds. The braking system provides confidence in all situations, whether you're in the city traffic or out on the open road. As for the wheels, the W800 rolls on 18-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels wrapped in high-quality tires. These wheels offer excellent grip and stability, ensuring that the W800 performs as well as it looks. The bike's tires are perfectly suited for both city and highway riding, so whether you're navigating tight turns or cruising down an open stretch of road, you'll feel the bike's confidence in every corner. Speaking of comfort, Kawasaki has really thought about ergonomics in the W800. The seat is designed to provide a comfortable ride whether you're out for a short ride or a longer journey. It's not too soft, but it's definitely designed for all-day comfort. The handlebars are placed at a reasonable height, giving riders an upright, relaxed riding position that is perfect for long-distance trips. Riders of all shapes and sizes will appreciate how natural and easy it feels to ride this motorcycle. On the technological front, the 2025 Kawasaki W800 comes with a digital analog hybrid instrument cluster. The tachometer is analog, giving it that old-school feel, but the digital screen provides modern features like a trip meter, fuel consumption, and even a gear position indicator. Kawasaki has effectively combined the best of both worlds, giving the rider a sense of nostalgia, while still providing a sense of modern technology. The W800 also includes LED lighting throughout. The round headlamp is a key part of its retro aesthetic, but it's powered by LEDs, ensuring better visibility and energy efficiency compared to traditional bulbs. The LED tail light and turn signals offer a sleek and modern touch, making the W800 a perfect blend of classic design and modern lighting technology. Now let's move on to safety features. The 2025 Kawasaki W800 comes with ABS, anti-lock braking system, which is a must-have feature on modern motorcycles, ensuring greater control in emergency braking situations. The W800's ABS is seamlessly integrated into the bike, allowing the rider to maintain optimal control and stability when stopping quickly, even in wet or slippery conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, this feature adds a level of confidence and safety to your ride. In terms of customization, Kawasaki knows that every rider is different, and that's why the W800 offers a range of accessories to personalize the bike. You can add things like a custom seat, a different exhaust, or even a set of saddlebags for longer trips. Whether you're looking to add some personal flair to the bike or make it more practical for your needs, the W800 offers plenty of options to make it your own. The W800 also has a solid reputation for reliability, which is something Kawasaki is well known for. Owners of previous generations of the W800 have praised its durability and dependability, and the 2025 model promises to carry on that tradition. Whether you're using it as a daily commuter or a weekend warrior, you can trust that the W800 will get you where you need to go. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Kawasaki W800 falls in a reasonable range for a mid-tier motorcycle. It's not as expensive as high-performance sport bikes, but it's also not as cheap as some entry-level models. For riders who want a quality motorcycle that offers great value for the money, the W800 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want the classic look, but with modern performance and features. Now let's talk about the riding experience. The 2025 Kawasaki W800 provides a smooth, comfortable ride that's equally suited to commuting, leisure rides, and longer trips. Thanks to its balance of power and handling, it's perfect for new riders and seasoned pros alike. It offers an exceptional combination of nostalgia and modern reliability, with enough power to have fun without being too intimidating. The lightweight frame, comfortable ergonomics, and responsive suspension all contribute to a fantastic ride, whether you're taking it on a short commute or a weekend road trip. If you're someone who appreciates classic motorcycles with modern features, the Kawasaki W800 should definitely be on your radar. With its timeless design, modern performance, and a price tag that offers excellent value for money, it's a motorcycle that will stand the test of time. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the competition. The W800 competes with other classic-styled motorcycles, such as the Triumph Street Twin, the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, and the Honda CB1100. While these bikes all offer their own unique features, the W800 stands out due to its balanced approach to performance, comfort, and style. It's the kind of bike that appeals to those who want a blend of nostalgia and modern technology while still having a blast on the open road. And that's a wrap on our detailed breakdown of the 2025 Kawasaki W800. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it, and feel free to drop a comment down below, sharing your thoughts on the W800 or any questions you may have. If you're not already subscribed, Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all our future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.